With more people working remotely and increasingly relying on tools such as the Microsoft Office suite to create and collaborate on content, it's more important than ever to ensure comprehensive lifecycle management is extended to this content. OpenText Documentum works with Microsoft applications, adding process and governance capabilities, improving productivity and reducing risk. Information stored in Documentum can be surfaced in the familiar user interfaces of SharePoint, Teams, Word and Outlook, while centrally defined governance policies are automatically applied to content created within Microsoft applications. In this demo, Tara will use Microsoft Word to create a new non-disclosure agreement based on an existing NDA stored in Documentum. She will then use Outlook to save an email associated with the NDA into Documentum, and use Teams to collaborate on the new NDA, with Documentum providing governance in the background. To start, Tara needs to find the existing NDA that will provide the framework for her new one. She opens the Documentum panel in Word and starts to type Disclosure to search Documentum for existing NDAs. Results pop up which help her find what she's looking for. It was already marked as a favourite. She opens the document, makes the necessary changes and saves it as a new NDA. Metadata can be inherited from existing documents, meaning many fields are pre-populated. Tara just adds the outside counsel and classification. Based on the properties, Documentum automatically stores the new NDA in the correct location. Later in the day, Tara receives an email containing important information about her new NDA. She opens the Documentum panel in Outlook and saves the email to the relevant Documentum folder. Again, most of the fields are already completed, so Tara just classifies the email as internal, dynamically applying security measures that ensure it cannot be shared externally. Then, based on the properties, Documentum automatically stores the email in the correct location. Later in the day, Tara needs to collaborate on the newly created NDA with a co-worker. Using Teams, Tara can browse Documentum and open the NDA in Office 365 for editing and co-authoring. Once they're both finished editing the NDA, Tara saves it back into Documentum from her Teams group. In this demo, we saw how to access and use Documentum features within the Microsoft user interface, remove the burden of records management from end users, and allow users to create, share, and collaborate in their preferred Microsoft applications, while Documentum automatically applies governance best practices in the background.